So welcome guys. Today this video is all about how to add page in Canva. Let's say you want to add a page to your project, you want it to be more than one page. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So of course you log on to Canva, so you can see my phone screen, and the tutorial is for mobile. So let's say you have this canvas open. This is actually an Instagram post canvas, so you can see we have only one page. So in order to add pages, just click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your phone screen. When you click on it, takes you to this pop-up. Then you click on view pages. When you click, it will show you all the pages. You can see we have just one page. So to add a page, you can just click on your plus sign at the right, or you can click on add pages at the bottom. So you can see when I clicked on the plus sign, one page was added, and I click on it again, another page will be added. You can see you can add as many pages as you want. And as I said before, another option is to click on add page at the bottom of your phone screen. You can see where it says add page. You can also delete the pages at the bottom of your phone screen, just like you added it. So another way you can add a page or pages to your creation on mobile is just by swiping to the left. You can see when you swipe, a new page will be added. If you swipe again, another page will be added. So you can swipe as many times and add as many pages. So that is another way to add pages to your creation in Canva. So when you go to view pages, you can see the swipe has added 3 pages. So that's another way. Another way you can also add a page is a roundabout method, but it's still useful. So if you select your canvas, then you select the 3 dots. Then when you scroll, you see duplicate. When you click on duplicate, you can see another page has been added. So if you don't want the same thing to be on the 2 pages, then you can go ahead and delete what is on the page. You can see it is now 2 pages. So you can go ahead and delete the picture on the second page and add whatever you want to add there. So it's another way to also add a page to your design in Canva. So guys, that is how you can add pages to your design in Canva on your mobile phone. So I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. If you have, please subscribe and like and comment to support the channel and help us grow. And comments, anything you want to learn about Canva, CapCut, please ask. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.